fuzzy. Okay, you guys, this is a plier holster, tool holster. It can be used for a utility knife or any kind of thing that you want to carry around with you. In my case, I'm going to carry this. This is a little pruner that when I'm cutting grass, I can prune off stuff that's getting in my way and so on and so forth. But yeah, it fits up really good in there. This measures roughly 8 inches by, I'm gonna call it 2.5, 2 5/8. Okay, I can smell leather. Okay, so I think the outside of this pouch is leather. The rest is simulated leather in here, but I can definitely smell leather in there, and you can tell this is leather right there. Okay, you see how it's suede on the backside. Now, if it was simulated, it wouldn't be like that. It would be more of a different grain, okay? It's got a belt loop on it, real quick loop right here, so slap it on your belt and then pull it off when you don't need it, all right? You've got nice rivets in here, and then they're on there with a Phillips screwdriver right here with a plastic washer, okay? So well built. It's got stitches all the way around it. So it's well made, actually. I'm liking it. Take care.